Now I am going to communicate to Indravox PLC in using a OPCUA concept, open communication platform. Matlab here can be used as a OPC server, and these two PLC is going to be used as a client. And this one is a one PLC where I have written a program like this. This one is Indravox PLC where I added all the input and output modules. Then the program, I'll be giving some physical input here that will provide some virtual output. This output will be used to communicate using the OPCUA program to the Matlab. Then similarly this input coming from the other PLC using the client of using Matlab as a server, and from that server the output of that next PLC will be communicated, and that will come as an input here, so that some physical output will be switch on. So this one is one PLC where that IP address of that PLC is 172 and this one is connected with 172.17.24.110, and I use another PLC and which one have only 4 modules, and this one is connected with the IP address of 172.17.24.112, and here are also the same program. And this input is on, this virtual output will on, this will be communicated to the Matlab, and using that Matlab just I will link the output of this one with the input of that previous PLC that switch on the physical outputs. Now we'll see the Matlab program, and the Matlab program we are using the concept of OPCUA, and this OPCUA server information of our IP address 172.17.24.110 is connected with one PLC that will be taken as a S1, assigned to the variable S1. Similarly, and the another PLC connected with that node of 172.17.24.112, it is assigned to the variable of S2. Then we have a command or function called OPCUA, and using that OPCUA, the S1 variable will be linked to another variable called UA client 1. Same way, the S2 will be assigned using a OPCUA to another variable UA client 2. Now myself going to connect these two PLC with Matlab. So UA client 1 is connected, same way UA client 2 is connected. Then we have another function called as a browse namespace. This will be used to browse all the variables linked to the particular node. UA client 1 is linked to the node of 172.17.24.110, which is connected to one PLC, and UA client 2 is connected with another PLC. Whatever the program we done there and assign some variables for input output will be browsed through using the function called browse namespace, and it will be assigned to the another variable node list 1, and the second PLC variables were assigned to the node list 2. Then here myself using a while command because this loop need to be keep on executed, because whatever changes happening in the PLC need to be replicated then and there between these two PLCs. The data need to be exchanged between these two PLCs. So this will be another command, read value. So when myself switch on some input in the first PLC, that data need to be taken, and that data actually available in node list 1. So that data need to be taken from the UA client 1, and it need to be stored in A. This A value need to be written in the second PLC, that is UA client 2, where I want to write this value to the node list 2 1,2, that is the second input. And similarly in the B variable, in the previous another PLC input is taken, and it is stored in the B variable, and then that B variable data will be taken written to the other PLC. So in that way we can communicate two datas between two PLCs using some OPCUA server concept. And here now we can see the result like this, and we have two PLCs. Just I will switch off these two PLCs. Now just I will log out this, then I will go and log in. So already some data it is communicated here. Just I will log out, then I will log in this. So now I will go to the Matlab. Just I will execute this. So some error is coming here. Okay. Just I will execute this. And column at least one. Okay. Here some end command is missing. And I will execute this. So here in that browse namespace, all the variables comes under the logic. Go to PLC program. You take all the variables already you programmed in that PLC and give OK. Then next PLC, all the variables will come. Go to application, PLC program, take all the variables here and give OK. So now this loop will keep on execute, and I will go to the PLC. In that PLC we have two PLCs. It is in the running stage. When I switch on that first PLC control F7, so physically I force this, in the input is on, this virtual output is on, this virtual output automatically go and connect with the other PLC. Okay, other input is already we done this program in a Matlab, which automatically connect that virtual output of the previous PLC to the input of this PLC, so that our output, physical output QX 0.0 will be on this PLC. Same way in this PLC, when I give input, force input, now when I go and see in the previous PLC, here this input will on, and that makes that previous PLC output go on. So this is a way without any proprietary communication protocol. Using this open communication protocol, you can easily communicate two PLCs. Thank you.